Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today back at Bangkok, we shall hunt for seafood, but not Bangkok style. We are looking for Japanese style of seafood here. We'll start first with a famous sushi bar. If you are an uni lover, and of course other sashimi, you will definitely love this place. So check out all the food that we had on the table. There's rice bowl with lots of seafood toppings. Of course, there's unagi, which is like the grilled. It's sweet, it's nice. And there's a huge sashimi platter. And finally, the main dish we're here for, the uni, which is a sea urchin meat. And let's dig in. Let's start first with the sushi platters. Of course, we will be starting with the uni-based sushi. It is an awesome creamy base. And there's also the fish roll. It's a cod roll, by the way, that is fried. Lots of flavors inside. Are you a fan of unagi? Because I am. I love sweet unagi base. And we will be starting with the ultimate sushi platter. The best part I love about this platter, right, is there's lots of different tastes to go for. Each bite is unique, each bite is different. I would say it's definitely a good appetizer to kickstart, get you round out before we start for the final main dish, our entire sashimi bowl. Finally, I'm here for my rice bowl with lots of fresh minced tuna meat, and there's also salmon roll inside. How can you not love this bowl that's full of umami flavor? Right, time to upgrade the bowl. Let's fill in with more codfish rolled. Remember to mixing well before we have another bite, and it's really yummy. Let's not forget the main star, the uni. This sea urchin is really fresh. How can you tell? It's from the light sweetness. Fresh uni have a very light sweetness inside. But you know what's more than that? Is to mix it with the entire bowl. Everything, no uni is being wasted. Everything will go into the bowl, and we are going to mix everything well, because the theory is 1 + 1 will definitely be greater than 2. Not to mention we have over 4 to 5 different types of ingredients inside. Look at how good is this. Let's enjoy the entire bowl of seafood greatness. Truly marvelous. Are you full? Cause I'm not. Let's continue the marathon. We have more seafood to explore. And at here, right, we'll be looking for a particular restaurant which is famous for their local based seafood. Our meal is being served. The first one is an omelette egg, fried rice with crab meat inside, followed with some raw sashimi prawn, and of course the salmon. But there's a twist. All these are all Thai style. Let's go through them later, but let's start first with our main carb. The awesome part of the fried rice, right, is that there's a huge charcoal flavor inside because they has been stir fried well, and it's really the flavor of Thailand. Don't forget the sashimi. This is not a normal salmon, it's spicy and it's sour. Using the same sauce, right, to go with the sashimi prawn, it is a totally awesome experience if you love Thai style. As you know, we are going to start the mixing session. I'm going to use some sashimi, okay, to mix some with the rice, starting with our salmon. After that, the prawn. But don't forget to put in the spicy chili, because having the spiciness and the sourness inside, this is what makes Thai food so exciting. Next up is the famous kapau. For friends who have regularly visited Thailand, you will definitely know this dish. This is like the image of Thailand. It's a minced pork with stir-fried chili. And the best part of this kapau that's so special is it used duck egg as a base instead of chicken egg. Definitely my favorite types because duck egg is deeper in flavor versus chicken. Not to mention it has a bigger yolk. So as you know, the bigger the yolk, the better, right? Mix it out, crack the yolk, go with the rice, and with the mice meat, this is an awesome bite. Finally, I'm going to use some of the chili to go with the fried crab omelette rice just now. And let's go. If you can't handle the heat, be careful, this is really spicy. Okay, the last fusion meal in Thailand is this Japanese-based Western food. We start with a tuna salad. It's fried outside. This is like a fried sweet potato. I'm not really a fan of this, but it's just a better, healthier choice versus a fried french fries. Finally, the main dish is served here. Entire cheese wheel as a base to cook your spaghetti inside. Yes, this is an Italian Western. This method of cooking has very strong visual effect. Not only does it look good, also it tastes good. It's really creamy. There's no way that you can't feel the cheese when it's cooked in a cheese, right? With a massive over 40 kg cheese wheel that is being used as a base to cook it. And you definitely can imagine how cheesy and how lavaed will this entire spaghetti be. But the main selling point is here. We are going to make it Japanese flavor. How? Of course, by adding in sashimi on it, right? So the chef will be adding in salmon and some of the salmon roll onto it. And there you have a Japanese flavor Italian Western food. Available only in Thailand. I would say that Thailand has done a really great job in creating such beautiful fusions. Everything is fusionable, is mixable. So let's do the standard twirling that you will do when you eat the spaghetti. But the difference here is this. We're going to twirl it with the salmon. And look at how beautiful is this salmon being twisted inside the meat. Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more food and travel vibes.